Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday the 23rd of January. The time is 1:30 p.m. So basically, as I became a wife, I've been cooking often and I still love the experience because I feel like I know how to make a lot of things now. Today I'm going to be making gari and eru, the Southwest delicacy. Eru and Gary. Okay, I just came back from church. I'm going to go change right now and I'll see you guys when I am in the kitchen. Yes guys, we are cooking again. You're welcome to my kitchen once more. Don't you guys just love this kitchen series or this cooking series? I'm really wondering, did you guys know that you're able to give your water leaf in the market so that they can fix it, like can pay somebody to fix your water leaf? Because I totally hate coming back home feeling very tired and then I want to start cooking and then I have to fix water leaf, and they have just made the cooking process of eru very easy. I went to the market today and I was buying, and the woman was like, do you want us to fix your water leaf for you? I'm like, is that something that I can actually do? I can actually pay somebody to fix my water leaf for me. This is it. This is my water leaf already. In fact, all I have to do is just wash it. I start cooking my eru. This meal is going to be ready in less than 15 minutes. I got eru, I got water leaf. I've already showed you guys. But red oil, of course, we need it for our eru. Then some weeks back, my mom sent me food from Bamenda, and in those stuff she sent, there was white gari. I have never made white gari before. She sent like a lot. You know what they say about mothers, like your mother will always know that you need food. Even if you have food, she's always going to like want to send you food. I think I'm going to wait for a very long time before we buy gari in this house again, okay? Because this is so much just for 2 people. I got smoked fish, kanda, crayfish, my meat, and then that's basically it. This one I got okra and then pepper. Guys, tell you what, when I was younger, I hated okra. I did not even want to catch okra, but right now it's like okra is turning to be my favorite food. Strange, right? Really strange. So I'm just going to get everything ready, wash everything, and then we're going to start this cooking process, okay? So I'm going to wash and boil my meat first. Please, honestly, let me just tell you guys the truth. Please buy your water leaf and fix in the house. Yes! I've been fixing this water leaf for over 10 minutes. Like, I gave more work to myself. I think if I would have just brought that water leaf, fixed it myself and sliced it, I would have been done. In fact, if I would have prepared this eru with this water leaf that woman gave me, it should have been pink eru because the whole water leaf was filled with flowers and dirt. Like, it's better when you fix it before slicing it. Like, the washing process is easy, but when you slice it and then you have to wash and remove the small flowers, it's actually very difficult. So I have to spend more time now to pick out the flowers and the extra dirt from the water leaf. It's like the woman just took the water leaf and she just cut it without fixing it. I brought myself so much trouble. Who sent me? Oh my god. I'm just going to hurriedly do this. I'll see you guys when I'm done doing all of this. Please buy your water leaf and take it to your house and arrange it there. These women are not trustworthy. I regret doing this. This happens only to me when I'm preparing eru. When I finish boiling the meat and the kanda, it just smells like the eru is already ready, and I find it very strange. Comment down below if you also have this smell whenever I prepare ero. If this happens to you, I'm still washing my ero and my water leaf is still here, but the whole kitchen is smelling like I've made a pot of ero. Guys, so my food is ready. As you guys can see, I'm already eating. This is so delicious, so delicious. Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you love ero like I do. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my food, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.